safe out there? Yeah. And we're going to stick together? Yeah. And we're going to be responsible? Yeah. Yes, okay. Alright, you guys ready to go have some fun?
Mother?
Kaya nga.
Are you guys ready to go have some fun now?
Trabaho ka na?
Oo, Diyos ko, finally.
Ayos na.
Natanggap, tsari. Sinatsaga na lang. Buti nga malapit lang.
Ulit sa simbahan?
Oo. Kaya nga eh. Hindi pa.
kayo magkakilala?
Ngayon. Ang ganda pala dito. Nasa si Caleb. Caleb, enjoy!
Anak-anak tayo ng dalawa eh.
Malaki pala.
This way, buddy. Stop it in.
Yes, hi, say hi. Sikulas na natin to. Caleb, to-join.
Wait lang, ano.
Okay. Okay. Ayan o, enjoy. Enjoy! Excited siya. Buti na. Go, Caleb! You can do it! Come on, come on! Go, go, go!
Use your hands. That one. Okay. Like that. No, that's yours.
Whoop, whoop! Whoop, whoop! Yay! Very good! Okay, so we're now here at Ian's birthday party. It's Rafa and Caleb's the first time to join this type of party. So it's their first time as well. And they're very excited. Look at that one. Caleb! Enjoy! Rafa! 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 Rafa here! Ayan, nag-enjoy sila. Ayan, ay, naka-live ka ba? Ang ganda dito. In all fairness, dito sa Rush, malaki siya. Go, Rafa! Para palang ninja, ano to? Caleb, sunod lang ah. Sunod ka lang, anak. Yan. Hawak. Go, Caleb.
Wait, Ian. That's right.
Oo nga. Kebog muna. May mga ganito pa oh. Nice. Go, Caleb! Rafa! Nasa taas na pala siya. Go! See? Very good. You can do it, anak. Very good. And hold the other one. Ang galing, ah. Oh, very good, Kev. Gusto niya yung mga ganyan, sis, eh. Oh, si Tien. Iba-vlog ko tayo. Follow the YouTube. Ang galing naman ni Kev. Very good, Kevy. Hindi siya kinakabahan, Beb. Ano naman sinasabi si Paddy? Kay Caleb. Sino ito pangalan? Yeah, ang galing ah. Siya lang yung smooth. Lahat kinakabahan sa ano eh. Ang galing. Very good. Hello, Rafa! Oo. Nandun na siya. Nauna na siya. Hi, Liam! Go, Liam! Go, birthday boy! Ay, ayan. Oh. Go. Go, Caleb. Galing, ha? Go, Liam! Ayan na. Medyo siya, hindi nga siya talaga pang below 5 years old, te. Buti na lang talaga, nag-birthday na si Caleb. Buti kakapal niya lang ng May, diba? Kung hindi, te, siguro nakaupo lang din siya. Hello, Philippines, charing. Caleb, wait muna, anak. Wait.
Pogi Caleb, oh.
Ako, ayan na. O, hawak lang din na Sim. Hawak lang. Nangyayari. Kaya nga eh. Hindi, sa playground, nung wala akong trabaho, talaga nasa playground kami araw-araw. Yung mga ganyan-ganyan na ano. Kaya medyo alam na niya. Ayun, very good. Ilang taon na po siya?
Yung anak ko dyan yung lalaki.
Ay, akala ko yung girl.
Yung girl, anak yan ng kaibigan ko. Sinama namin.
Ah, okay.
Kasi nasa trabaho.
Oo. Ah,
Kaysa
okay.
ako nasa bahay lang.
Ayan, yan yung bata na lalaki yung anak mo. Kaedad lang siguro ni Caleb. Ilang taon na yun?
7.
Ay, hindi. Ito ka, kaka-5 lang. Buti nakasama.
Parang 7.
Ah, pwede naman pala mo nga ba? Kung sabi nakaabang lang ako, baka mamali ako eh.
Do not jump down. Okay? Do not jump down, okay? That's okay. Don't do that, okay? I'm going to tell you your face. Hold that back really well. No, down in the back.
Malambot.
Good work. Questions?
Go! You have, Caleb, Rafa, you have to reach that and press.
Alright guys, waiting behind the red line. Come here, everyone. Everyone step back, please.
Ayun. Kaya buto talaga comfortable yung shoes niya. No? Kaya nga, follow na lang, Rafa. Caleb, you follow kuya, okay?
Ano na panganay mo?
9. Ay, oo, 9. Tapos yung isa 5. Magte-10 po. Ang mga nanay, char. Go, Caleb! Go! Ano na, kuya? Naunahan ka na ni Kev! Go! Go, Kebby! Go. Jump! Yes! Good job! Go! Ang galing ni Rafa! You can do it! Go! Go! Go, Rafa! Yes, good job. Go, Kebby! He was like waiting.
Sing that for me. Right there.
Go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yay! Thank you. Go, 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 go.
No, you do not. You do it. What do you do?
Just follow. Caleb, follow Kuya, okay? Ayan, go. Kebby. Kebby, go. Ayan na, Caleb. Kev, not there here. You should go here. Pabalik yan. Dito ka na. All done. Go. Rafa! Rap!
One at a time on all the trampolines. Remember, not looking into the front gate, you know, hanging out the last one. And my God, there are new lanes out the center and no final. The top level of the corner is for those over 147 meters in the
Okay.
any assistance. Please see one of our friendly crew members and they will be glad to help.
Yeah. Anong meron? Caleb! Rafa! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Parang ano siya, pasensyosa siya.
Jaden, Sam. Sam.
Yeah!